Good morning, team. Can you hear me? Online team. How are you guys? Good. Okay. I'm fine. I'm fine. Thank you. Okay, team, let's start today's class. Okay, today's sessions. So I hope yesterday we talk about these points. Yes, please get in. Descriptive. Okay, so once I get to know the one who enrolled to this course, I will share very nice book for Python. All right. So if you complete this book, guys, you are the geeks for Python. I mean, no one will defeat you in the world. All right. So let me tell you, I'm not going to give right now. Just let me tell you the first task, and then I talk about this book's later part. Okay. Let's start today's session. So where do we stop yesterday? Yeah. I hope we start identifier. Yeah, this was 28 sessions. Yep. So someone asked me the difference between CPU and GPU. This is the first because yes, you should require to know. So what is meant by CPU? CPU in the sense, did you see guys, I have my system. In the system, if you click right click, do you see task manager? Online team, can you able to hear my voice clear? Yes or not? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Just one sec. Share. You got it? Yep. Okay. Yes, Mohammed, I shared. All right, guys. Yeah, good. Now, let's understand. A lot of them have asked questions. So the first statement and some informations I just wanted to pass on to online team. Dear online students or my friends, I want you to say, do not connect with mobile hotspot or Wi-Fi because the sessions will take 1 hour. The sessions will take 1 hour, 15 minutes. Sometimes your Wi-Fi, your GB will complete in 45 minutes. So how do you deal with 15 minutes? How do you deal with 15 minutes, guys? Understand or not? So if I, in 15 minutes, if I introduce some of the packages, okay, for TensorFlow, then you do not understand. All right. I do see, I just wanted to say all online participant, Gautam, just calm down. When time will come, I will explain all these things, Gautam. No need to worry. Okay. I have a plenty of way how you guys become participate for freelancing. Okay, all those things I do tell you guys. All right, so the first thing I wanted to explain you one thing to all online students: your net should be perfect. Okay, please take care of this one. So today, a lot of, I do understand a lot of students have few questions. What is CPU, GPU? Sir, I do have 4 GB RAM. I do have 4 GB RAM. All right. So can I install all the advanced packages? Sometimes yes, sometimes no. Okay, because like TensorFlow deep learning packages, DL package, you cannot run. You can't be run. So I will tell you how to work on this one. So today I'll introduce to CPU versus GPU. This is my system. Right click, task manager. Did you see there is a performance? Yeah. So now I have SSD processor, which is quite faster. Yeah, disk space is 0 and memory 7.9 GB, 8 GB RAM I have. CPU is 44 percentages. This is CPU. So when I run any model, when I run any code, it will impact. Yeah, this is my system's memory. What is GPU? GPU means, let me show you. Go to Google Colab. Are you see this, guys? Google Colab. Online team, are you able to see my screen? Yes. right click, open link in new tab. The one who had 2 GB RAM, no need to worry, just follow my steps. You could be start working this way as well. Understand? So go to Google Colab. Hello, sir. Just I'm yesterday discussed about timing from 7. Okay, okay. See, now you go to new notebook. You go to the new notebook. Okay. So whatever, where is my information? Just 1 second. Just 1 second. Let's close it. And then one moment. Okay. You see, guys, same things we've been understand, right? So this is Google platform, correct? Now, when I say A equals to 5, right? I need to change it a little bit font, shift enter. Whose brain is this? Whose memory is this? This is Google Colab. Yeah. This is CPU and GPU. If you go to the tools options, 1 second, the cell is executing A equals to 5. Are you understand or not? Okay, tomorrow I will increase the font size. Let me, or font size, let me change to 16. Save. Yeah, a little bit. Okay. Did you see the same code which we're executing over here? Isn't it? Yes, guys. Are you understand what is difference between CPU and GPU? So in CPU, this is my machines. In GPU, this is Google's machine. In the Google machine, if you go to the runtime, click on the runtime and change runtime type. Do you see CPU, GPU? Okay. Google does not have CPU. Google have GPU. So let me tell you, students, let me tell you, the one who had very less configuration system. So what I wanted to do, you can work like this also. Let me tell you, but better if you have CPU, so that when you get in a job, you can understand how to install all the packages. Clear, guys? Everybody's clear? Okay. So in deep learning, we will run the model. In deep learning, we run the model using CPU and GPU. Clear? In deep learning model, we'll run everything, guys. Okay. Now let's start today's topic. 1 second. Just calm down. See, guys, demo videos, sir will share and we will share the recording as well. Okay. Anybody has first class today? Anybody has first class today? Yeah, the one who had first class, we will share the recording sessions. This is a new batch. Let me repeat again. This is a new batch. This batch starting from last week. Okay. This batch is started last week. So the session is starting now. Okay. Yesterday, we just a little bit had introductions. What is Python identifier and all those things, guys. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Be seated. Online team, do you understand what is CPU and GPU? Yeah, you can also work if you have less memory. You can also start practicing from like this. Let's get back to the topic. Anybody tell me what is mean by Python identifier? So what we discussed yesterday, guys? What the rules? We saw two rules, right? What is the rules? The first rules is, can we assign identify with digit? Can we start with digit? No, we cannot, right? And identifier is a case sensitive, isn't it? Now let's talk about this. This is what we started. Yes, should not very good, Washim. Now let's get back to this one. So guys, the one who had first sessions, just wait. I will discuss with you last 15 minutes and get back to you, okay? Now, how to see the import versions, all these things we done, identifier, alphabetic, digits, underscore is allowed. Let me give you, can you tell me this one? 4 equals to 50. Can I get output? Why, guys? Because 4 is a keyword. So how to check the keywords? As I suggested yesterday, here, and then keywords in Python. When you check this one, true, false, none, and or not is. So what I mentioned for, okay. So when I execute for, we cannot get output, isn't it? But let me check this one. For equals to 58. Can I get output? Because this is not a keyword. This is not a keyword. Let me run this one. Same things. What about this one? Define equals to 30. Define output or error. Output or error. Good. Okay. If equals to 30. Can I get output or error? Error. Capital if equals to 56. Output. Yes. If equals to 60. Error. Clear, guys? Now, another thing, there is no length limit in Python identifier. You can assign identifier as you want, okay? Maximum length you can assign. So no length limit in Python identifier. So I will mention here, there is no length limit in Python identifier. Clear, guys? Understand? There is no length limit in Python identifier. All right, now let's see, let's execute. You got this output. Underscore letter is only allowed. Underscore letter is only allowed. Understand, guys? Underscore letter is only allowed. For example, underscore ABC underscore DEF underscore GEF equals to 10. What is my identifier? What is value here? Which is identifier? Which is value here? This part is called identifier, isn't it? And this is called value. So can I get output or error? Error? How many of say error? Online team, error or output? Okay, let's see. Let's see. We get output 10, guys. We get output. So if you see the rules to define Python identifier, it's been clearly mentioned over here, right? Underscore. So can we sum up finally what exactly the information's part? Let's catch this. Let's understand. 1 2 3 MX, error or output? Online team, the first one. Let's have some discussions. 1 2 3 MX, is this error or output? Error. MX 1 2 3, error or output? ML to AI, output or error? Underscore ABC underscore DEF underscore GEF, output or error? Very good. Define, small letter, error, because this is a keyword. Agree? Else errors. Number 6, error or output, everyone? Capital Else. Cool. So now what is the rules to define identifier? Let me write it down. Just copy here and let me paste here. Did you see this? These 6 rules is required to define identifier. A to Z, small a to Z, 0 to 9, does not start with digit. It is a case sensitive. Understand? Rigid words or keywords cannot be an identifier. Understand? Identifiers cannot have length limit. Underscore only allowed. Clear or not clear? Yes, guys? Yep. Now I will no need to write down. I will share these documents to you. Then only it makes sense. Yeah. Now let's get back to the topic. We complete the identifier, guys. What are the rigid words? You know, guys, if a kid goes to school, in the school, the teachers, A for apple, B for ball. Yeah, we can start with identifier. Yes, Sunita. Yes, you can. One time case sensitive. Within the case sensitive, very simple, buddy. If I mentioned 4 equals to 8, if I call with small letter 4, 1 second, this is called case sensitive. Understand? Yes, yes, Bitin Das, you understand what I'm saying? You assigned capital letters equals to 58, but when you call it as a small letter, this is called case sensitive. Clear, buddy? Okay, good. Now here we go. Okay, what is reserve words or keywords? When a kid goes to school, in school they teach A for apple because apple is the fruit, Okay. Apple is the fruit which reserved for letter A. Agree or not agree? Yes or not? B for ball. So ball is an item, object, which reserved for letter B. Clear or not? So, but what exactly mean by Python reserve words? So just now I talk about, for example, there are 35 reserve words. If you, how many reserve words we have? This is 35. Now let's talk about true, false, none. This called Boolean. Yes, this is called Boolean, true, false, none. And or not is we called operators, and operators or operators. Okay. If, else, elif, this represent a statement. Yep. And while, for, break, continue, return, in, yield, this represent looping concepts. Try, except, finally, raise, assert, this represent functionality. All non-technical students, can you please raise your hands, guys? How many of non-technical? Non-technical in the sense, if you work before SQL, still they are non-technical only. Understand? So, okay, no need to worry. Okay, as I mentioned, online, offline, I want you to give a lot of work, guys, a lot of practice. Just if you want to practice and show the world who you are, so come and join and work with me, and we make resume and go for interview. Clear? Okay. In the world, if someone give you, will give a job offer, no one will give you, guys. In interview, you have to speak. Understand? Not other persons have to speak for you, right? If other persons will speak, they will fire you next 1 month, isn't it? Company will fire you next 1 month. All right. The next topic is, okay, understand, guys, no need to worry. So try, except, finally, raise, assert represent functionality. Import from, as, class, define, pass, global, non-local, lambda, del, with, this represents method. All right. So here, if you look at this 35 reserved words, let me copy here. If you see this 35 reserved words, all right. So what do you see? True, false, none has cap letter. Did you see? Capital T. Rest of them are small. Agree? Yes or not? Rest of them are small or not? So now let's check this one. Let's check this one. A equals to true. What exactly I'm saying? A is equals to true. A is identifier or object or variable. Yeah. A equals to true. What is the output when I execute A? What is the online team? What is the output we'll get? Output is true. Mom, what about others, guys? True. Let me run this one. Did you see? True is not defined. You know, guys, why we got error? Anyone? Offline? Because this is a reserved words. You cannot assign with a small letter, right? Now, if I change to capital T, let's run this one. You get true. Agree? Yeah. Now let's catch this B equals to none. B, what is the output? What is the output? B equals to none. Very good, error. Now, when I change this one, B equals to none, exit output or error? Output, right? C equals to false. C equal to false. Line number 21. Online team, line number 21. Output. Yep. Yeah, did you see when I execute, why I didn't get any output over here? Have you noticed this one? What is the reason behind this? None means nothing, right, guys? So that's why Python is dynamic programming language and it understands automatically. Yeah. Yeah, actually today is last demo. This is not a, yeah, this is the last class. From tomorrow, the link will change. And if you make any payments, please send the screenshots to Om Prakash. From tomorrow, the class will be in Nourish IT portal. Yeah, yes, guys, because we'll create a portal and you get a link from portal. Okay, so from tomorrow, let's see this. Now, let's see. Someone asks, sir, how should I remember this keyword? Every time I cannot go to Google and type it, isn't it? Yes, guys. What happens if you don't have Google access? What happens if you don't have Google access? How do you remember this keyword? Let me tell you very important concepts. Import keyword. Understand? What package we're going to import? Import keyword. Keyword dot kw list means keyword list. Let's run this one. Import keyword and keyword dot kw list. Did you see all the informations are popped up here? Are you able to see this? False, none, true, asset. Online team, are you able to understand? Yes, guys. Online students, are you? So which package we imported for system? How to know the system version? Which package we imported? Which package we imported, guys? System. Now, let's say in a company, a CEO or manager come to you and he wanted to know, because in organizations, the data stored in databases, isn't it? The data stored in databases. Let's understand. Do you think in database only 35 records are there? Do you think so, guys? In organizations, we don't have 35 records. We have 35 billion records, isn't it? 35 billion records. So now, yep. So let's say if I ask to someone, can you please tell me which number index this continue? It stay. So you'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right. Now, if a CEO asks, can you please tell me which number rows belongs to low income group category? Understand? So will you count like this? 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 35 billions? Will you count like this, guys? Online team, are you understand what I'm saying? As we have 35 rows, if I ask you any questions, you can count and you can speak with me, isn't it? But in organizations, if your CEO or your managers come up to you, hey man, could you please list the informations where the low income group people are? Give me the list of low income category people. Will you count? It's not possible. So that's why today I wanted to introduce very important package called Pandas. What exactly mean by Pandas? So let me tell you, Python indexing begins with 0 or 1? 0. 0 or 1, everyone? 0, isn't it? Yep. So now Pandas, it's just a introductions. Right now, I'll introduce to Panda, but we have very wonderful sessions in upcoming days. All right. We do have a lot of visualizations using Pandas, and I'm going to explain and connect with real-time case studies. Okay. Now here, see, import Pandas as PD. Right, guys? Everybody, let's say in your school name is different, your mom and dad call different name, isn't it? Like Chintu, Pintu, Rintu, some names are there. But in school, you have some 6-letter Ramachandra, Harishchandra, something like that. Isn't it? Yes or not, guys? The same way, Panda Speedy is the alias of Pandas. So I don't want to write Pandas every time. I just call the alias called PD, isn't it? So DF is identifier, right? What is the rules to define identifier? So it's a lowercase or uppercase. So DF equals to PD dot data frame. Let's copy the keyword and paste here. Call with DF. Let's run this one. Did you see, guys? Now what you're getting here? You got the information's indexing right or wrong, row numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope you understand why Pandas is very, very essential in organizations data. And no matter what you are, okay, let me write down here. Let me write down here. If you are 15 years data science experience, or 3 years DS experience, or fresher into DS, everybody will use these four packages. These four packages. Those are NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. Understand, guys? Everyone, whether you are 15 years expertise, or because when you deals with the data, what is meant by data science? Equal to data plus science. So definitely you have to deal with the data. When you deal with the data, these four packages is mostly required. So let me tell you, these packages, these four packages, if you learn, then you are apply for data analyst job role. Understand, guys? What type of job role you can apply? Data analyst. So who are the data analyst? So let me tell you, if you're good at SQL, good at Python, good at Tableau or Power BI plus EDA, exploratory data analysis, then you are eligible for data analyst job role. Clear, guys? Understand or not? Now, if you learn this one plus statistics plus ML, machine learning, you are eligible for machine learning engineer. Understand what I'm saying? If you learn all those things plus this one plus NLP plus DL plus neural network, you are eligible for AI engineer or NLP engineer or data scientist. Understand, guys? Clear or not? Now, if you learn all these skills, okay, plus OpenCV, computer visions, guys, all right? Computer vision, then you are eligible for computer vision engineer role. Understand? Now, if you add all those things, Spark plus Hadoop plus Hive plus Kafka, all right, plus Cassandra, you are eligible for data engineer role. Clear or not? Everybody's understand what I'm saying? You decide which role you wanted to go. You ask yourself, all right, you ask yourself, where do you want me to go? Understand, guys? Understand or not? No, you say that Naresh, I to give everything at once, let me complete and I become a Rajnikant. It's not possible, guys. Okay, so real time, when you go for a Java, you should expert at Java. Dear sir, Kafka you don't teach me. If I teach you Kafka, your project is Python and data machine learning, they never ask you Kafka, right, guys? So I will tell you, follow me, listen to me, I will speak real time, it would works for you. So just now, my one of student, he joined in a company, all right? He showed, where is that? Did I close it? The WhatsApp? That's okay. Yeah, let's talk about later part. Yeah. So he joined a company. Clear, guys? Understand or not? Now, where is that? Okay. Let's get back to the work. I hope you understand what is Pandas. Why I am explaining this one. See, I will teach you all the technical part. That's okay. But you decide, are you be a batsman or you wanted to be a bowler or you wanted to be all-rounder? I mean, where you want to go, data analyst, ML engineer, AI engineer, but do not worry. I will teach everything. I will teach everything. That is my job. Your job is to practice and create a resume, go and keep giving interview. That's what your job. Will you do the job, guys? Will you do your job? Yes or not? Everyone, online team. Okay, cool. Good. let's talk about another task. Python data types, guys. Let's start Python data types. Okay. So how many data types is there? How many this session is data science session. This is not a developer sessions. We have a lot of interest things in upcoming days. Okay. Lot of interest things, lot of projects and all those things. Clear? So what are the Python data types? We have integer, float, complex, Boolean, string, bytes, byte, array, range, list, tuple, set, Trojan set, dictionaries, none. So let me have a quick check. Online team, are you understand? Yes, Avilasha. Yes, Sheikh, Abdul, Abhinav, Abhishek, Avinandan, Akansha, Ankush, Anusha, Archana, Ashok, Badal, all the team guys. Everyone, non-technical student especially. I'm discussing with non-technical team. Clear? Yep. Now let's get back to the A equals to ID. I wanted to in tomorrow or sometime I will give you one books. Okay, not this one. This is statistics. Just 1 second. Yeah, this books contains 800 pages, guys. Let me tell you, 800 pages, right? If you complete this book, you are the king of Python. You are the geek of Python. Yeah, I mean to say that geek in the sense nobody will defeat you, because so I don't want you to practice all the book. I will tell you the technique how to close this one. And also I will share some 118 pages books. Okay, let's talk about this one. Okay, this is created. These many things are correlated with the data science part. Yeah, I will show you when the session is continue. Right now, let's talk about this one. See, before I start data types, let's say A equals to 10. A is equals to 10. What is ID of A, guys? What is meant by ID? You go to college, you wear ID card or not? What is meant by ID card? It's your identity. So that ID card belongs to yours. Agree or not agree, guys? Everyone. Unique number. So now let me ask you one question. Just one moment. Did I close this one? No. Just bear with me. Let's go. Wait. Yep. Did you see there is a variable? Let me ask this one. A equals to 10. What is ID of a address of a when I execute? It will give you the memory locations, right? It will give you the address of the memory locations. Now, when I say B equal to 10, can I get the same address or different address? Different address? Everybody, are you sure or not? Different or same? Let's check it again. Let's talk about same address, guys. Now, why? See, 14072, 14736. Yeah, so here, same address, very good, because let's understand this one. P equals to 20, Q equals to 20, R equals to 20, right? Identifiers are P, Q, R, 20. Can I get same memory locations or different memory location? Let me tell you guys, Python is a dynamic programming language. Understand? You do not require, okay, multiple, I mean, there's no different ID for different identifiers. You got the logic, what I'm saying? Yeah. So now here we go. Let's say C equals to 20. What is ID of C? Now it is same or different? Are you sure? Let's run this one. This is different, right? Now understand this one. A equals to 10, B equals to 10. What is ID of A? Address, same you get, right? A equals to 10. This is quite logic. I hope you understand. Yeah. ID means it will give you address of the memory locations. Now let me write down here. A equals to 10. So when I say ID of A, it will give you the address of the memory locations. What is it called memory? We called as RAM, isn't it? Understand, guys? Yeah. Now let me start data types. data types. Save it. Now let's go back. So I will take everybody's introductions, not right now, just give me 2 days. So I will have last 10 minutes. And for 1 week, 2 weeks, I'll keep on taking introductions. Yeah, I will manage all these things. Clear, guys? Now let's get back to the work. So what is meant by integer? The number without decimal points are called integral. Everybody understand? The number without decimal is called integral. Clear? Let's say a equal to 4809. What is the value? 4809. When I execute, what is the output I'll get? Correct or not? Now integer has two forms. How many forms? Integer has two forms. For example, integer, the number without decimal is called integer. For example, a equals to 45. Okay, this is all integer, right, guys? Now integer have few forms, binary and octal. Yeah, there are. What is meant by binary? Do you remember, guys, in your school day we study all those things like uni. Let me, sorry, close this one. In school days we study uni means 1, bi means 2, tri means 3, quadra means 4, penta means 5, hexa means 6, and goes on and goes on. We studied, right? Remember all these things? Yeah. So now what is binary? Let's understand this one. Let's say, yeah, a equals to 4 ones, right? What is the output? A equals to 4. Okay, thanks. A equals to 4 1. What is the output, everyone? Okay. 1 second. So the output is 4 ones. Yeah. Now let's understand this one. What about this one? B equals to 0, B, 3 ones. What is the output, online team? Error or output? First tell me, is this accepted or not? B value only, output. What about you guys? Output or error? Error. All right. Now let's check. We got output 7. You know why? Let's talk about 0, B into 1, 1, 1. This is what, right? This is what B equal to I decide. Now let's solve this. 0B means what? Binary. Binary means 2. So what is the place value for this one? I hope you know about place value and face value. 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2. So when you do this, 2 to the power 2 means what? 4 plus 2 to the power 1 means 2 plus 2 to the power 0 equals to 1. So 4 plus 2 plus 1 is called 7. Now understand? Yes or not? Now what happened? Online team, are you understand or not? Let's control Z. Can you understand, buddy? Yeah? Cool. Let me lower your hands. And then guys, at this moment, I would request to online team to wait. You write down if you have any questions. We will discuss at end of the sessions after I change my mic. Okay. Yep. Thanks. Now let's understand this one. Can you tell me what is the output for this one now? Oh, oops, I think I have this one. Just one moment. What about this one? C equals to 0B, 4 ones. Yeah, you have to tell me. 15. Yeah. So let's run it. 15. Yes, guys. Clear or not? Online team. So how, let me repeat again. How do you done this one? 1 1 1, 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power square and 2 to the power q. So 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. Here we go. It's 15. Clear? Yeah. Now let's talk about what happened if I wanted to change 1 to 2. Error? Binary. Let's run this one. Invalid token. Yes, we cannot out. I mean, we get output over here. Clear or not? Clear, guys? This is called binary. What is octal? B0O1111. Can you understand this one, guys? 36 line. 36 line. What is the output? What about everyone? Online team? Let's wait. What about your answers, guys? 9. So this is not a data science. If we learn like this, we become a developer. We are not become a data science. Understand, guys? Clear or not? This is what you learned in your Python developing course, correct? Isn't it? Yeah. So we'll see because this is the first step. If we wanted to know a plus b whole square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is math equations. To know this math equations, we should know what is a, what is b, what is square, why this formula is come up. We need to understand. Same way, entire machine learning. You know, guys, what type of equations we're going to learn? Let me show you how many formulas about statistics, how my students are created some of the projects. This is the formula sheets. Did you see? G table, T table, coefficients, normal distributions. These are the statistical part. Clear or not? All those things. This is statistics informations. This is what we're going to learn. And you know how many projects? So my few students, they prepared some of the projects, and let me see, you also have to prepare some of the real-time projects. ED analysis, let me show up. Bank analysis, risk analysis. These are the projects. This is what you're going to ask in interview. Okay, this is what you're going to see. Loan. Don't you think my parent take a loan or not? Yes. Now you also taking loan. Your kid also take a loan. This project is live in the sense never ending. So this is called risk analysis. We will take a deep dive into later part, not right now. Understand? So this is what the findings, all these findings is very, very important. So if you listen to me and if you practice all the sessions, definitely, guys, there is a lot of quite good projects you have to prepare. I will give you the baseline how to do this. In interview, they'll ask you what projects you made. You have to speak, sir, this is what projects I made. Can you please, what technology I used? You talk about I mean, outlier detections, imputations techniques, okay, cross validations techniques, different techniques I used. Technically terms, I'll speak with you, okay? This is what, guys. Now let's go back to the work. Now, what is output, guys, on this one? Let's run this one. This is 9, right? Now, what is output for this one? 0, 0, 3 ones. 0, 0, 3 ones. Okay, let me help you. 1, 1, 1, 8 to the power 0, because O means octal. Octal means 8. Yeah. 8 to the power 0, 8 to the power 1, 8 to the power square. 8, 8 just 64 plus 8 plus 1. So 73. Make sense? You got your output, guys? This is octal. So I hope you understand what is meant by integer and what is forms of integer. Just understand the basic part is good enough. Clear, buddy? Are you understand, buddy? Yeah. Okay. Now, can you please tell me this one? First, A equals to 10. What is the output? Let's talk about A. 10, right? What is B? 0 B 10. Think and answer. Online team. 3 or 2? It's 2, guys. 0 means there's no value, right? Avinav, where do you got 15, man? Avinav? Quite strange. Let's Avilasha, it's not 3, dear, because it's 0 is given here, so do not count. Yes, Avilasha? Yes, dear? Yeah. What about this one? 0 or 10? C. Explain it once, sir. I will explain. Just wait. Okay, because if this is very simple things. What's your name, buddy? Shiva, very simple. 10. 10 means this is ignorable. 2 to the power 1, this one. Correct? So 0 means 0 to the power, I mean 0 to the, it won't come up. You cannot include this one. 2 to the power 1 is 2. Yes, Shiva? Understand? Yes, Chandrahash. 0 has no value, right? Got it, guys? Cool. Now let's talk about this one. A equal to 78. What is the type of A? What is the type of A? Integer. Agree? Yep. Now let's see this. Now today let's start with float value. So what is float? Let me write down. The float means the number with decimal value. Decimal value. Petrol price 100 rupees 30 paise. Yeah. Salary of an employee. Yeah. Have you ever get salary? 1 lakh rupees? No, government will tax it, isn't it? Yes, guys. So salary of an employee or petrol prices, these are called float values. Understand or not? Everybody understand? Yeah. Okay, now let's see this float. B equal to 67.9. What is identifier here? B, right? B is identifier, right, guys? Now, one moment. Okay, got it. Yeah. So here B equal to 60. When I run this one, let's catch this one. If I say, let me talk about this one. Okay. So here 0 octal 4567.89. What is the output? Can we get output or we get error on this case? Error? Yes or not, guys? Because binary, octal, hexadecimal does not work in float. Clear? So the difference between integer and float is, yes, Chandrahash, you will do it now. Very good. Yeah. So now what exactly I write here? In float, the binary and octal is not allowed. Okay, you get error on this part. You will get error, guys. Okay, you will get error. Clear? Now the last concept, this is a very, in 10th class onwards we are learning this integer float, guys. Correct or not? From 10th class onwards we are learning this integer float. Now last concepts of this one, let's see. G equal to 2.4 e to the power 3. But before e to the power 3, let's talk about this one. Let's talk about this one. Okay, so F 1 point e to the, or let's talk about, sorry, control Z, yeah. E to the power 0. Okay, G equal to 2.4 e to the power 0. Only E letter is allowed in float. Why only, sir, E letter is allowed? Why not any other letter? You can try, but you not get output. Understand? So only E letter is allowed in float. Let's see 2.4 e to the power 0. What is the output? What is the output? Anyone? Exponential. Very good, Badal. Very good. Chandrahas, I'll speak with you. Don't research on integer float now, because in interview no one will ask you what is the difference between integer and float. Where do you see 0.89 means 2 power? I'll get back to you. Let's complete, then we'll speak. Okay. Yes, Chandrahas. Don't research and don't spend more time on this one. 2.4 e to the power 0. What is the output, guys? 2.4. You know why? You know why, guys? entire world to the 0 equal to 1, isn't it? The base form of the 0 equals to 1. So let me solve this one. 2.4 into e to the power 0 equals to 2.4 into 1, which is called 2.4. Agree? You got your output? Now, what about this one? If I change e to the power 0 to 1, what is the output? Exponential. Yes, Mohammed, you're right. Now, Mohammed, can you answer this one? Let's see. Offline team. 2.4 e to the power 1. Are you understand, buddy? Are you understand? Yes? Okay. Any questions, we'll speak. All right, guys. Offline team, any questions, we will speak. What is output? 2.40. Let's check this one. Very good. Let's run. 24. Where do you got 2.40? Let me see. 2.4 into 10. Yes, very good. So when you remove this one, this become 24.0, isn't it? Yes or not? Clear, guys? Exponential. Now, what is e to the power 2? Exponential 2. What is the output, online team? What is online team? What is output? 240. 240. Yes, Washim? Yeah. What is e to the power 3 now? What's output? 2004. You got the logic now, isn't it? Yes, guys. Very good, Rohan. Now, no, sir. I want to change capital E to the power 3. Can we get output? No. But I will get output, guys. See? Did you see or not? So in exponential, you can assign any letter, whether it's cap or small, it is allowed. Understand or not? There's no case sensitive, this one, buddy Mohammed. Yes. All right. Now let's go back to this part. 5 point e to the power 4. No, I don't want to e, sir. I will make a. Okay. Now definitely you will get error, right? Okay. The rule says you should drive your vehicle on left side. No, sir, I want you to drive your right side. You drive. You get to result what exactly next day. Yeah. So definitely we should follow some rules, follow some protocols. We cannot. So let's say, sir, I'm staying in near to the ICICI Bank. Okay, my house is near to ICICI Bank. If I apply loan at midnight, will you get a loan? No, guys, you never get a loan, because we need to follow some protocols. The same way, 5 point e to the power 4, you get your output as 50,000. Make sense? Good. So tomorrow I'll talk about complex data types. So now definitely, guys, you can understand what is difference between integer and float. Agree or not agree? Agree or not agree? This is just a basic, guys. This is just a not basic to basic. Yeah. We will understand many graphs, many visualizations, many use case. I will make a what we call, that is called, like, in industry, how do you speak with your business leaders, managers, how to speak, technically speaking English, technically speaking English is different things, guys. Understand? Yeah. I will show you how to speak this technical English. Yeah. Your action should speak. You are learning some codes means you have to visualize your learning in front of others. Others means you should show up your skills in front of your team, management. Understand? Okay. So this is the difference between integer and float we done today. Okay. Tomorrow, once the classroom is created, I will share a few books and I will complete the basic informations of this one. And what is Boolean, what exactly difference between data types, data structures. Yeah, a lot of people have a lot of confusion, guys. What is data types and data structures? I will explain very simplicity. Entire machine learning, I will make stories, because if a kid asks to you, you have to explain some examples, right? If in interview someone asks you what is mean by k nearest neighbor algorithms, okay, k nearest neighbor algorithms, I will explain you some example. Okay, then math concepts behind this example, then practical, I will give some task. Then you understand these concepts. Clear or not, everyone? Yes, guys? Okay. Yeah, online team, just wait. So once show how you're opening the program, you're opening from first. Okay. See, buddy, just go back here. Just go to the start options and click on Anaconda and just execute this one. So the screen will open. Okay. This is the back kernel. You never kill this kernel. This is heart of the platform, isn't it? Then this is the front end. And once you open up, just click on new Python and start working your task. Just give me 2 to 3 days. After 3 days onwards, it's a new batch. So a little bit here and there. Maybe you need access to get into the drive and all those things. Yeah. This week onwards, you have a plenty of work, plenty of task. Let's see who will prove. Let's see who will get the offer. Yeah. It's a challenge, you guys. I'm saying. Let's see that. Yes, online team, are you understand? Are you understand what I'm saying? Yes, guys. Cool. All right. Any further questions? Any further questions? Online students, if you don't have any questions, you can leave for the day. Connect at 10 a.m. tomorrow morning. Yes, guys, as it's a new batch, so offline is going on. So here and there it's happening. You just wait. Don't be angry. Sir, you said 10 a.m., but you're connecting 10 a.m. It's not my sessions, guys, because I too get a link. So no need to worry. Just be patient in the life. You need to have a patience. If you don't patience, you never win the world. Let me tell you guys. Okay. Yes, new link you're gonna get by tomorrow. Yeah. Chandrahas, calm down. I will unmute you. You speak, then you leave. Understand, buddy? You have office now? Okay. Yes, please. Offline. Just give me a few seconds. Online team. Just I want everyone to please wait for a few more minutes. Chandrahas, you wait. Don't run. Okay, we'll speak and then you can go. Okay, buddy? Yeah. Let me close the offline questions, then get back to you. Yashwant, wait. Let me address you. Yes, guys. Are you understand, everyone? Let me tell you, the one who has a first class, I would humble request you to connect with them. They are staying outside. Talk to them, get the recordings, wonderful recordings, guys. Till today, ask all the recordings, complete today and tomorrow, and get back to me. Yeah. And if you, this is a brand new batch, you didn't miss any sessions, don't be late. If you like this course, please enroll. I will be with you. That's it. All right. Clear, everyone? Any questions, guys? You can stay. Rest of them you can leave for the day. Got it? Understand, right? Yes, online team. Now let's get back to you. Please, 1 second. Yesterday you absent? Oh, is it? Okay, good. Yeah, thank you. Yes, you can do. You want to go abroad? First, after complete this course, you apply a job. Let salary come to the bank. Then you do it whatever you want. Do it after that. I'll give resume, upload. Let's see. First you study. If you hard work, then come back, or else don't come. Clear? Yeah, no problem. Thank you. Okay, now raise your hands, guys. Can you please share your number? I will share, not right now. Just wait for some time. Yeah, and then yes, Chandrahash, what's your question? I'll unmute you, buddy.
Yes, sir. Technical questions only, sir, not non-technical.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Okay, sir. As you said in class, 146.8 floating numbers explained, sir.
Yeah.
As you said, it's an error. I was slightly confused because error means 146.89. We have mentioned.
Wait.
Okay,
First,
sir.
machines understand 0 to 1 only, right?
Yes, sir.
0
Yes,
to
sir.
1.
Yes, sir.
So float, you never get those value. Let's talk about this one. Be binary, okay? And
Sir,
I want
I want to say, as per my knowledge,
Mhm.
0.89 means until this numbers it will read from 2 per 0 to 2 per 1 like that. 0.89 means right side means it will read
Okay, I will change to 6, 7. What else
means
then?
2 power minus 1 into 6 plus 2 power minus 2 into
Why
7.
you think deep dive? I don't understand what you're speaking. Very simple. This is float, right?
Yes, sir.
Listen to me. Listen
Yes,
to
sir.
me just one second. This is b equal to float. Now let's run. You got output or not?
Yes, sir. I got it.
0 b binary. This is what we done in integer. Yes, 0 b. Correct or
Yes,
not?
yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now let's see this. Let's run. You got syntax error.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Whatever you think, that's because this is some rules and regulations designed to Python. Understand, buddy? Yeah. So you definitely you'll get error.
Okay, sir.
Understand? Yeah. Even though you take 0 octal, you will get error or will get output. Error
Out
only.
error, sir.
So difference between integer and float. Are you understand or not?
Okay. Integers means okay, okay. Numbers 0, 0. Okay, sir.
Ah.
I,
What is the difference between integer and float?
float means decimal, sir. Integer
Okay.
means
What
not
about
decimal.
integer? In
No,
integer, this is working or not? The dot is there? No, right? Decimal
no,
is
no,
not
no.
there. Now,
Yes,
when
sir.
you execute, you get 7 because 73 because it is working.
Yeah.
111 octal, 8 to
Octal,
the power.
yes.
Exactly.
Yes,
But
sir.
when I take same thing, 0.98, let's run this one, you get
Error.
error. Understand or not now?
Yes, sir.
Clear, Chandrahas? Clear or not?
Means integer and decimal won't work. The same
Yeah,
pattern.
exactly.
Means I don't
Binary,
want. Yes, sir.
binary and octal never worked. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Good,
Means
good.
I don't want to be make silly mistakes, sir. So I was so much concerned about it.
See, buddy,
Hmm.
few things, whatever you know, whatever you're thinking, that is not interviewer thinking. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
As I'm industry experience, you don't think too much. At
Okay,
this
sir.
moment, 3 to 4 months, stop thinking from your brain.
Yes,
Follow
sir.
me what I'm saying. Very simple. Clear?
And next thing, sir.
You are not writing an exam.
Yes, sir.
Understand?
Yes,
If
sir.
you miss something, it will happen. You giving interview means you
Hmm.
discuss with someone.
Yes,
To
sir.
discuss with someone, you need to speak. To
Okay, sir.
speak, you need to practice. And I will give you some skills to practice. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Got
Anyways,
it.
next week I'm attending offline, sir. At that time I'll approach you.
Sure, sure, no problem.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Okay.
What about Draksha? Any questions? Avilasha, clear? Yes, Avilasha, unmute you.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, actually, you said that how to open Jupyter Notebook. Once again, repeat, sir.
Okay, just go to here,
Yes, sir.
start button, right? And click on Anaconda and just go to here, Jupyter Notebook. Are you see this?
Yeah,
Click this one. When you click this one, let me click.
command prompt will be open, sir.
Come on, minimize this, not minimize. Automatically, it will minimize and the screen will open. Did you see? It's run. You need to give some time. In the front end, it is opening like this.
Okay.
You're not able to get this?
Yeah.
Are you able to get this or not?
Yes, sir. I will get that.
Then go to the new Python.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, got it. Oops. All right. Class is interesting, guys, or not? Are you able to understand everyone or not? Yes, Chandrahash, done. Drakshayani, done. Yes, Avilasha. Yes, Digvijay. I'm sorry, Vijay.
So good
Yeah,
morning.
good morning.
And some most of the
See, you are
part I've understood today's class, but I'm uh, hello.
your voice is breaking. My question, are you able to listen to me or not?
Yes, sir.
If
Am
my
I
voice
audible
also
now?
break, yeah. If my voice
Am I
also breaking, then you don't understand. Let me tell you. No, I cannot hear you. What you're speaking.
okay? No, sir. You're clear. Can you hear me now? No.
Yeah. Do not connect from mobile. White net connections, Avilasha. Again, I'm saying.
No, sir. It's from the mobile connection,
Okay.
not from the Wi-Fi.
Okay. Cool. Now tell me, please.
So
What
most of
part?
the class today, most part of the class today, I understood. The
Mhm.
only thing I would request you to clear in like in very brief is the integer and the float part. The
Mm.
float part in
Mm.
particular, like uh, in some of the program
Are
that
you
you have used
working? Uh,
letters first.
no. What? Listen. What I'm saying. When you're listening, are you in front of a laptop? Do you have in front of a laptop? When I say
Yes,
something,
sir.
are you doing or not? The practicing? Are you doing something? When I say b equal to 0b, you can try with yourself, right? Lot of concepts will clear automatically. Yes, Avilasha?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So
Yes,
it's
sir.
just a matter of practice is required. Once you do the practice, few things
Mm-hmm.
you cannot say. You can feel it. I mean, when you practice those things, things should be more clear. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So tomorrow onwards, when I say something, I will share this notebook to you and you start
Mm-hmm.
working that. Okay, then it will be more
Yes, sir.
interesting. I will give you
Yes, sir.
books as well. Lot of work from Thursday or Friday onwards for you guys. Lot of work. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good.
Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Thank you.
Hello,
Yes,
sir.
yeah.
My sir, I have 4 year gap, sir.
Okay.
So how can I clear things to get a job, sir?
4 years gap means what have you done before?
I have prepared for government exam, sir.
Okay. Yashwant, can you raise your hands? I'm not able to find you, buddy. Yeah, you prepare for a government exam?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if you prepare for a government exam, we have to make some of experiences. Regarding experience, I have to speak with you personally. Not
Okay.
now,
Yes.
just first practice, then we think about it, okay?
Okay, sir.
Got
Thank.
it what I'm saying?
Yes,
Vijay,
sir.
right?
Yes.
You
Yes,
change
sir.
your name in Zoom, man. I'm so confusing. Understand?
Yeah. Yes, sir. I'm new here. I didn't know about this Zoom.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
no problem.
Thank you.
You little bit do some research and then make it, okay?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Yes, Archana?
Uh, Sir, actually, I missed the study class due to
You
some.
missed yesterday class, very sad.
Yes,
I'll tell you one thing. If you
yes,
miss single class, you would be lose many things. Understand
yes.
or not?
Actually, due to some emergency, so I
Good.
missed.
You
I
just
joined but missed. But the 6th day link is same as the 5th day link because the both are same. Which the link you have shared in the chat box.
Mhm.
Day 5 and day 6 both are same.
I know, I know. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I saw that. I will update him. Yeah.
Yes,
Yesterday I do notice that.
yeah.
Thanks. You should have been ping me in the chat, right? I can have been communicate to them.
Okay.
Okay. Anyway, I'll speak with them. Okay, Archana.
Yeah.
Thank you. All right. And okay. Anything else?
No, sir. For now, no.
It's very interesting sessions. Are you like it?
Yes, I like it.
Very good. Let's talk about others. Anybody have any more questions? Yes, Drakshayani.
Sir, you said the new option. I will be click on the new option. There is no option to Python.
Why there is no options?
Actually, in my laptop it is showing Python 3 IP kernel.
Yesterday I missed few questions due to some issue. So today I will address. No need to worry, guys. So today is the last day for this week. I'm trying to go
notebook
all the demo training. And from next week we start the work and come to the core practice and all those things. Everybody's clear? Okay. Did you got paid? You paid Drakshayani? Just wait for a couple of seconds.
Yes,
Did you
sir.
enroll the course?
Yeah.
You enrolled?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So did you see, you click on new and Python 3. Are you get this or not?
No, sir. I get the Python 3 and IP kernel something, sir.
Where do you got this one? Okay. So one moment. You don't get this. Can you try or else uninstall all these things and reinstall again? You will get it.
Okay, I
You
will.
close again, refresh it, and then open it again. Are you able to see all these four options like this? One,
Yes, sir.
2, 3.
Yes, sir.
Now click on Jupyter Notebook and don't close this one. Don't close this one. Understand?
Okay, sir.
If you close this one, then it would be wrong. Try. You can troubleshoot. No need to worry. If not, tomorrow, then let's discuss. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Oh, Sunita, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Did you check, Sunita? Let me unmute you. I don't know what is the parameters to, because I'm not giving certificate here. I'm the faculty for Naresh IT. Okay, Sunita. So for how do certifications provide all those things better, you should talk to them. But anyway, I'm not getting time. I forgot few things. Let me let me tell you. I think there are some eligible criteria to get an SCOM certificate. Okay. Anyway, let's see this. Yeah.
Thank
Did
you.
you? Yeah, Sunita, please go ahead.
No, I get it. So
You get it right. Yeah. Thank you. Yes, Uday, please go ahead. Uday, can you hear
Hello?
me, buddy? Yes.
Yes, sir. I'm audible, sir.
Yeah, you're audible, buddy.
Yes, sir. I just wanted to know if we could get some kind of a document for the examples which you just showed today. Like
I
some kind of.
will share a lot of documents, buddy.
Okay,
Just
sir.
wait. Let's people are enrolled to the sessions. We'll create a classroom. In the classroom, the one who enrolled, their Gmail would be inserted, and then I will post the questions notes to you. Then you can do it.
Okay,
Just
sir.
give me 2 to 3 days because new batch. Let's change the link. Then I come to know who will come, who will not come. Right?
Yes, yes. Okay, sir.
Because trailer, everybody watch trailer, right? Today.
Yes,
But
yes.
how many of them will watch movie, right?
Yes.
So the ratio will be count down. What happened? The one who listened the demo only, they might not enroll. So it's not make sense. Yes, Uday? So just
Yes. Yes.
give me for 2 to 3 days, then things should be so smooth. No need to worry. Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Cool.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Have a great day, guys. See you tomorrow, same time. Bye bye. Sunita, not Sunita. Drakshayani, please try today. Uninstall it. I'm still waiting. Ahmad, yeah, what is your questions, buddy? Yeah, what's your question? They unmute you. If not, you can ask me, we'll discuss, or else we'll do
Hello,
something. Yeah,
am I
Ahmad,
audible?
please. Yeah,
Sir, ma'am, yesterday I discussed regarding batch timing change.
okay.
As you remember, I already paid
Yeah, tell me what happened. Yeah.
in your last batch of 7 a.m.
Mhm.
last month, and yesterday you said I will proceed and I will change your batch timing
Yeah, okay.
in this batch because
Okay.
I'm working right now in a company.
Yeah, tell me what happened. So what is your problem now?
Actually, my company changes the timing. It's
Arey
like
Baba,
12.
what I'm saying, okay, I spoke, I remember, but
Yeah.
what happened? Do you have an issue? You
Yes.
can got the link, right?
Yeah. Can you actually can you enroll me in this batch? Because today is the
I
last day of
cannot enroll. I cannot. You talk to the support team. They will enroll, they will share the link. Okay.
I already talked. They said you have to approve me first.
I
That's
already
what they.
approved, right? You can go and talk to them. Say that Senapati sir already approved me. Anyway, I will, okay, I will convey him. Okay, Ahmed, for you.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Because I already text him before 15 since 15 days. I'm texting and already emailed so many times. They said.
Okay, no worries. I will inform him. Okay. And this is the last options we are giving. Yeah. And next time
Yes,
we
sir.
won't give any more. Okay, Ahmed? Yeah, I will
Definitely.
inform him. All right, buddy. No worries. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you. There's no response from others. No problem, Biswal. If you paid, definitely they have all the informations. Okay, you no need to worry. Your money is safe. Okay. Due to finally student any new batch in night time, nobody know of enough. After this, I have to work my office work as well. I think it's better you connect with support team. All right. Thank you guys. See you tomorrow and have a great day. Goodbye. Okay.